A heart-touching poem by a soldier. If I die in a war zone, box me up and send me home. Put my medals on my chest. Tell my mom I did my best. Tell my dad not to bow. He won't get tension from me now. Tell my bro to study perfectly. Key of my bike will be his permanently. Tell my sister not to be upset. Her bro will take a long sleep after sunset. Tell my nation not to cry because I am a soldier born to die. There is no definition for a good day or a bad day. It all depends to you. God is saying to you today, you are going to laugh again, you are going to trust again, and you are going to restore everything you have lost. I don't care what other people think of me. Enjoy my life with my own rules. If you believe in yourself, anything can be possible. Life is a bank account in God's hand. Nobody knows the balance of remaining days. Keep depositing with forgiveness, prayer, and obedience. When sadness fills your heart, when tears flow in your eyes, always remember three things. God is with you, still with you, always with you. The best prayer in the world is a smile and cry. They won't meet each other at a time. If they meet, that is the best moment in your life. God is the best listener. You don't need to shout nor need to cry out because He hears even the very silent prayer of a silent heart. I am with you always, even to the end of the age. Old friends are gold, new friends are diamonds. If you get diamonds, don't forget gold because only gold can hold a diamond. Sometimes you just have to stay silent because no words can explain that is going on in your mind and heart. Some people hurt by words, some people hurts by actions, some silence, but the biggest hurt is that someone ignoring us when we value them a lot. You can't change how people feel about you. So don't try, just live your life and be happy. Love your heart out, dance in the rain, cherish the moment, live, laugh, forgive, and forget fights to soar to live with regrets. One smile can start a friend. A friendship is no word can end. A fight can save relationship. One person can change your life. Luck is not in your hands, but decision is in your hands. Your decision can make your luck, but luck can never make your decision. So always trust yourself. Enjoy every moment of your life. Life is too short to waste long reduce. Laugh when you can, apologize when you should, and let go of what you can change. Yes, I am a nice person, but if you crossed the limit too many times, everything can change very quickly. Relationship is not a business, it a feelings. It's born to heart, not in mind. Cheating on a good person is like throwing a diamond and picking up a rock. Worry about your reputation, because your character is who you are, and your reputation is only what people think of you. A stone is broken by the last stroke of a hammer. This does not mean that first stroke is useless. Success is the result of continuous effort.